Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is preciouskif for those of you who are new here. Let's get right into this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do the faux bang hairstyle, but before that I'm just showing you guys all the products that I use on my hair before I start styling. So to start off, I'm just using an oil on my hairline because I don't have the strongest hairline, you guys, so I try to keep it as strong as I can. I'm going in with a moisturizer from Native Child. I don't use too much of this on my hair. I just massage that into my hair real quick, and then I'm just going to get into combing my hair with this Tangle Teaser kind of product. It's not Tangle Teaser, but it's similar to Tangle Teaser. I really like this because it helps to get all the knots out of my hair. I also comb my hair with a wide tooth comb. I don't use an afro comb. I just don't like afro combs on my hair. So those are the only two products that I will typically use on my natural hair. So the first thing that you want to do is create a pot. I just use my hands to create a pot. You could obviously use a comb, whatever you're comfortable with, but I just create a pot. I create a pot in my hair just so that I can basically see where the bangs are going to be. And then I'm just going to comb the rest of my hair away from my bangs. So I'm just going to twist this hair away just so that I'm not combing into it, or, you know, I just don't want it in the way of the rest of the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and tie this hair up in a pony. Now you can tie it as high up or as low as you want to. I kind of like it right here, kind of in line with the contour of my ear, because I think that that's what suits me best. And you want to try to make the bun as small as possible. You can use bobby pins for all the pieces that are not long enough to fit into the ponytail, but my hair just shrunk, so you might not need bobby pins. So now I'm just showing you guys the hair that we're going to be using for the bangs. So you just want to separate it just to take away the pattern a little bit. And then here I'm showing you guys the hair that I'm going to be using for my bun. I don't always add extensions to my buns, but this day I decided I want to do it. There is no structure here, you guys, just vibes. So I just kind of wrap it around the bun until I feel like it's kind of secure, and then I will go in with some bobby pins just to make sure that it is secure and it's not falling off or anything like that. But like I said, you don't have to add extensions if you don't want to. It's all up to you. So now I'm just spraying some Got2b on my hair just for the flyaways. Like I told you guys, my hair has started shrinking, so it's not as stretched as it was a couple of days ago, but that's fine. So now I'm going to show you guys how to finesse the bangs into your hair. The first thing you want to do is kind of separate the already existing bang, because you're going to put the extension in that pot over there. So you just want to go ahead and get your extension ready. You kind of want to measure how long or how short you want it. I mean, it's really up to you. The rest of my hair is pretty much this length, so I try to go based on the length of the hair on my head. So you're just going to kind of press it together, cut it to your liking, measure it on your head, kind of see how you like it, and then you're going to go ahead and cut the hair. And you just want to press the hair together, and then you're going to spray some Got2b on the end of the hair. You kind of want to press it together with your fingers like this, just to make sure that it's not coming apart. Sorry if you can hear my dog, y'all. I'm so sorry. So now you're just going to spray some got to be in the pot. And no guys, this does not destroy my hair. You obviously can't do this every day, otherwise you are going to lose some hair, but I don't do this very often, so we're safe over there. Okay, we're safe over here. So you want to spray some got to be on the pot, on the hair, and then on top of the extensions as well. You can press it down with whatever tools you have available. I'm just using my toothbrush or my edge brush. Then you just kind of want to press it together so that it blends to the best of its ability. I could have loosened the curl on this extension a little bit better, but you guys get the point. So you just want to manipulate it so that it kind of looks in sync with your hair, and that's one side all done. I'm just going to let you guys watch me do the other side, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that. And this is the final look, you guys. I think it's so cute. Shout out to Aaliyah's Face, because I got this idea from her. She does this with her natural hair, and I just thought it was such a nice idea. So now I'm just going to lay my edges with this Eco Styler gel. I don't like to do too much when it comes to my edges. I just do a little swoop on the side, and that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I really like this hairstyle. I'm just going to go ahead and add a scrunchie. I got this scrunchie from Her Craft. I will leave the Instagram page in my description box. It's by my girl Praise. She's so talented. She makes really cool things. So yeah, you guys should go check her out. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle in the comment section below. I am going to go ahead and show you guys some other hairstyles that you could do with these bangs. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next clip.